laying down these great racks so we can walk across, because that is like quicksand. Okay, hold on. If you're planning to visit Rainbow Bridge by boat, you may already know that boat tours are canceled because look, Lake Powell does not reach the courtesy dock now, and the shoreline is about 3 miles back thanks to the sinking levels of Lake Powell. But don't worry, watch this video through the end and I will take you on a private boat trip from Page, Arizona. You'll get a feel for what to expect in case you go, and if you don't, at least you will see some beautiful landscapes. Welcome to my channel. Rainbow Bridge is iconic. It's the second tallest natural bridge in the world after the Shanren Bridge in China. You can get there by land, but that involves a 2-day hike and a pass from the Navajo Nation, which you'll need to purchase. Or you can charter a boat, rent one, bring your own, and do the 100-mile round trip in one day. We were lucky to have a friend in Page, Arizona who owns a Boston whaler with a 60-gallon tank that made the round trip. He also happens to be a semi-retired captain who grew up in the area. We had no idea if we were going to be able to get to the monument until we docked at the shoreline. I did post details in my blog, so be sure to check that out in the description below. It was an adventure, but so worth it.
We're headed towards Rainbow Bridge. We are actually the only boat out here on Lake Powell.
Everything above the water line up there is Navajo Nation. You get 3720, that's the border. So literally there's places where the border is halfway up a cliff. I've been running around filming the lake in 360 virtual reality.
Wow.
And my goal is to film the entire lake in full 360 VR. A little bit to go, but it's changing so rapidly. Like today, we may be seeing stuff today that nobody's seen for 6 decades.
What is that thing on the bottom?
I don't know. That's all the debris and stuff.
Wow. All right, so we're
back
seeing.
out. I might go up there.
He just spotted the shipwreck.
Tapestry wall. I've heard it labeled a lot of ways. A geologist once told me to get the darkest, deepest colors takes about 2,000 years. This is all drainages off the mountain. This canyon used to continue for miles and miles and miles. We're entering Bridge Canyon. So this is the confluence of Bridge Canyon where it meets Forbidding Canyon. Wow. You guys, I don't know if you heard about the quagga mussel issue. That's all that stuff is all invasive
Those
mussels.
are mussels. Wow.
Those weren't here like 10 years ago. None of that was here. Pretend this is your foot when you just stepped out of the boat.
Okay. Captain Scott's anchoring the boat, making sure it doesn't float away while we're gone.
Yeah.
We'd have to swim out to that dock fast.
Laying down these metal grate racks so we can walk across. You can just hear the water running through the creek, my fellow hikers in the distance. It took us about 1 hour to hike to the bridge from the shoreline, and as you can see, it's definitely worth it. You do want to stay on path though. There are some animals in the area and of course rattlesnakes you need to watch out for. There are no services there and no visitor centers, so do keep that in mind. Thank you so much for joining me. I included a detailed list of tips and things to bring on this trip. If you do take a boat to Rainbow Bridge, especially today, you will enjoy the whole experience because the serenity will help you appreciate it that much more. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who is curious about Rainbow Bridge and wants to go. If you've been or you plan on going, please put a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you for spending this time with me, and we'll see you in the next one.